3C. It's me.
Buongiorno, good morning.
Good morning.
Would either of you care for a glass of champagne?
Stephanie?
Why not?
Yes, 2, please.
Can I take that coat?
Yes, thank you.
And what's the big smile on your face for?
Oh, the Villa d'Este, Lake Como. This is going to be very exciting. Maybe a trip neither one of us is ever going to forget.
Speaking of forgetting, I wonder where Thorne is.
Shut up. Excuse me. My ear. Come on. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'll cry out. Wait, I'm jumping up.
Don't mind me, I'm just...
Is this 27C?
Yeah?
Great. It's me.
Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, it's on my lap now. Oh, this is going to be the longest 12 hours of my life.
No, Lauren. We are going to try for a real Zen moment here. Just concentrate, focus all of your energy, all of your thinking onto the main reason you're on this plane. Eric Forrester.
Eric Forrester. Okay. Okay. Listen.
Excuse me.
Signor and signora,
Ah,
here's your champagne.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Prego.
So, Stephanie, Thorne will be here.
I'm just worried that something's wrong.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
There you are.
Well, thank goodness you didn't miss the flight.
Where were you, little brother? I had to say goodbye to Taylor. It took a little longer than I expected. Really?
What is that look on your face?
What are you talking about? What look?
The look that you've had on your face since we took off at LAX.
Well, let's just say I'm excited about this trip to Italy.
I am too. But this trip is not without its challenges.
Oh, I'm well aware of that.
And if the show at Lake Como is not a success, then what?
Well, then we'll just have to move to a beach in Maui or someplace.
Signor and signora Forrester,
Yes,
would you like some more champagne?
absolutely. Stephanie?
No, thank you.
Just for me, then. Grazie.
Mi mostri tua acciuga.
Show me your what?
Your anchovy. That is an anchovy, right?
I know what they are, Mr. Garrison.
I'm just brushing up on my Italian.
We have a long way to go.
It's a long trip.
Don't remind me.
Thank you, Eric, for hiring that one. E grazie for sitting me next to her.
Let me guess. The reason for your smile is this wonderful first-class service and that beautiful woman sitting next to you.
That's part of it.
What's the other part?
Those two over there?
Eric acts like he's going on his honeymoon.
He might just be.
He doesn't have anything crazy planned for Italy, I hope.
Oh, nothing crazier than remarrying my mother.
You're joking.
He told me so himself. It's amazing, isn't it? It's
company hangs in the balance, and he's still able to plan a wedding ceremony over in Europe.
Sounds like a man who has his priorities straight.
Wonder what the pizza will be like.
Excuse me?
In Italy. Bet they got a deep dish that'll knock your socks off, huh?
Reminding you to murder your travel agent.
It's my precious Darla.
She's dead.
Of course.
Welcome to Spartan Airlines. This is your captain speaking. Our approximate flying time to Milan, Italy, with stopovers in Gander, Newfoundland, and Reykjavik, Iceland, will be approximately 16 hours.
Gander?
Reykjavik?
Get me off of this plane!
Oh, there's a whoopee bump.
You gotta be kidding. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I gotta have the bag.
What bag? What
You know,
bag?
the...
Oh my God! Who's got a bag? Who's got a bag?
Give me a
Who's
bag.
got a bag? Who's got a bag?
No!
Wow!
Now tell me, what's really going on?
What do you mean?
Look, you have this big grin. You've had it on your face for a long time. I mean, it's always as though you don't have a worry in the world.
Will it help to worry? I don't think so.
Well, it's never stopped you before.
Well, do you want me to worry?
No.
Well, all right then.
There's something going on. I know there is.
Well, maybe you'll just have to wait to find out what it is.
That's very good.
You may very well be looking at your son's future.
Oh, I hope not. He's been there, and we both know what happened.
But they've grown. Both of them.
I'd like to think that he has, but I don't see any changes in Brooke. The person that should be taking this trip with him is Taylor.
Excuse me. I gotta use the John.
Can't you? Why can't you? Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Whoa!
Wait a minute.
Side load coming through.
Oh, I'm gonna just put this right here.
Now, before you get too comfortable,
Thank you.
I have to go. I'll be a minute.
Oh. Hurry back.
You know, I think you're going to have to do some attitude adjusting there.
When it comes to Brooke, no.
Well, you're going to have to get you to focus on something else then.
Good luck.
Oh, I'm not going to need any luck for that.
There you go again.
What?
These cryptic little phrases. What are you up to?
No good, Stephanie. No damn good.
What are you doing?
Getting cozy.
Get cozy on the other side of your seat, please.
Whatever you say, sweetheart.
Would you like anything before you go to sleep?
Sì, vorrei ordinare un signore italiano.
Vedrò quello che posso fare.